Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Pasita Malenab. I am single, 37 years old. I am the youngest in the family. I have two sisters. They have their own family now. I have experience working in Hong Kong for 10 years with 3 employers. The place is Chun Mun and Tai Po New Territories. I experience taking care of children age 1 year old and above. I can cook Chinese food based on my experience working for 10 years. I am honest and you will never regret to hire me.
Are you afraid of pets like dogs or cats?
Yes.
Do you know how to take care of elderly?
No.
If you do you like to work with other maids?
No.
Would you mind if your holiday will be fixed by your employer?
Yes, but preferably if it can be Sunday. Thank you.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes.
Like
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
what do you want to say to your future employer?
Hello, sir and madam. I am here to apply as your helper, and you will never regret to hire me because I am an honest person, hardworking, and you can count on me and work voluntarily without your demands. Thank you.